I like playing golf and I have a wicked slice, which is why I picked up this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. It is a Callaway driver and it's a Rogue driver, and it is designed to help you draw. Now, I watch a lot of golf videos, and because I like playing a little golf every once in a while, and one of the problems with them is that the people that are teaching you are usually really good at golf. And when you're really good at golf, you tend to have a little bit of a draw. And for me, I don't have a draw, I don't have a fade, I have a slice. Especially when hitting woods off the tee, they just kind of go out there like there's 100-mile-per-hour wind and then take a sharp turn right and end up in the other fairway. And that's pretty regular to me. So every time I take a natural swing, everything that feels good, feels natural to me, ends up being a slice with wood. So I've tried a lot of stuff, and usually I can kind of control it with technique. But one of the things that I found here is that these draw drivers are weighted and shaped and adjustable so that they are designed to help you kind of counteract that slicing effect. And I wanted to see if this would work, and since I have a slice, we will find out if it works or not. Now, one of the things that is really interesting about this driver is that it's a replacement for a fully adjustable driver. I think it's called the Edge driver, and that had movable weights, but this driver now comes with fixed weights, and it comes in a few different versions. Now, this one is set up for the draw, and the obvious part of that is that the weight is down here on the heel. So heel weighted drivers, which is counterintuitive to me, are designed to help you get rid of a slice. I actually thought maybe putting weight on the toe would do that, but what ends up happening is that the heel comes around a little slower because of the extra weight and closes that club face up. The other thing about this is that it's fully adjustable so that you can adjust the shaft here too and either set it to neutral or draw. Now, I have set it to be -1 degree on the loft angle and draw biased here. So that's kind of set up to take as much of the slice out of my shot as possible. So it's really designed to kind of counteract that slice, which is really nice because a lot of drivers will have tracks and movable weights, and you are kind of sacrificing a little bit when you don't make a club that is dedicated to one particular purpose. The other nice thing about this is that it has an updated jailbreak technology. You can see the two little holes on the bottom here, and those are basically bars that go all the way from the bottom to the top. So there are two bars behind the face, and supposedly that really helps with forgiveness. And it's a really cool looking driver in my opinion. It has kind of this metallic blue look to it, kind of like a Le Mans or an Astoro blue on a BMW. I think it's pretty attractive, but a lot of guys don't really like it that much. Now, it's a pretty big driver, but it is a conforming driver, so I think it's 460 cc, so it is legal, and so it's not an illegal tool if you're trying to fix your slice. But the big thing now is, even though we've taken a close look at it, does it really work? So let's hit some golf balls. As I mentioned, I'm a slicer. There's a lot of reasons for that. You can probably see some in the video, but this is my actual driver here, and this one just goes way right. And this is actually a problem I have with that driver a lot. So here are my shots with the Callaway. This is my first time actually hitting it, and I was shocked at how straight it hit. Now, I hit a lot of shots here. A lot of them still kind of faded to the right, but would be very playable. But I was really impressed. When I added in some of the techniques that I used to counteract my own slice, combined with the tendencies of the golf club, I was actually even able to start putting a little bit of a draw on the ball. But what was really great is I was able to just get up there, hit the ball with my natural swing, and if anything, the ball was going straight or maybe just a slight fade, which was a massive improvement over the typical huge slices that I would normally have. So this is going to give me a lot of confidence getting on the next tee box and playing with it, because now I don't think I'm going to be off of my own fairway. So I really love this club. It is my new driver. If you want to pick one up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.